Hi, it's Dan Oski. We had a question today in our group about using a sling, and we're going to put together a short video here to show you how to use a U-Sling while getting out of a chair quickly. Here's Brittany.
Alright, so this is your typical U-Sling. This is what it looks like. And one of the easiest ways to get going quickly is to make sure you're holding it correctly. If you turn it around and you actually lift up the legs, the sling folds up real nice like this, and it can easily be held with one hand. Oops. So we're going to start like that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave him his seatbelt on for this step, because what I do is I actually take him, lean him a little bit forward, and I brace with my arm, and then I take that sling and I just put it right down behind him. I can reach behind him, and it doesn't need to go underneath him, it just needs to go to the tailbone. Now I can unhook his seatbelt, pull the leg straps around. If you notice, I'm not even lifting up the arms of the chair, that way he can be braced. I don't even need to really lift up his leg. I can to make it easier, or I could just slide it underneath, and then I can come and I can pull a little bit. Gonna do the same thing with the other side. Scoot it underneath this arm. Scoot it underneath the leg. And this part, it doesn't have to be perfect necessarily, because as you use the lift to lift them up, they'll kind of naturally fall into place. But one important thing is when you get to this point, and I want to make sure you can see, these need to be crossed through each other. So I'm going to take one through the hole of the other so that they actually go to opposite sides. So when I hook up to the lift, I'm going to do those across to the opposite sides, to the far outside hooks. Then I'm going to hook these to the front hooks. And just make sure the arms are out of the way, because those can sometimes get pinched. And then I'm going to lift, just watching, making sure I'm not hooking the chair. That's an easy fix if you need to lower again and unhook the arm. But usually they just come right up pretty easily, and they kind of fall right into place. So if this leg is kind of far down, I can actually rearrange once he's up. So now I'm going to show you how to put him back down, and a quick way to get the lift out from underneath them. So I'm going to unhook. This out of the way. Again, I lift up the legs just a little bit to slide these out. Make sure they're not underneath the arms. I just really just get these out from underneath. And right now, it's not underneath him at all. So what I do is I just come behind the chair, and as you can see, it's pretty easily lifted up. If you aren't able to pull up like that, you always have that option to kind of lean them forward again, pull the lift out. So hopefully that's helpful. Thank you.
Stay strong, a cure is near. Thank you.